Hello students, in this tutorial we are going to learn functions in PHP. A function is a block of statement that can be used repeatedly in a program. A function will not execute automatically when a page loads. Remember this, a function will be executed by a call to that function. Okay, if we call a particular function with a function name, then only uh, the block of statement will be executed. Here in PHP, we should declare a function with the help of function keyword, function space name of the function. Okay, you should write function space name of the function. Okay, here we have user defined functions and predefined functions. In this tutorial we are going to discuss about the user defined functions. Here in user defined functions we have two types, that is functions with arguments and functions without arguments. Okay, we will uh, execute these programs one by one. Okay, for that we need to start this XAMPP server as a mandatory. Okay, Apache, you just start it by going to XAMPP control panel. Okay, after that go to the browser here. Okay, and check whether your server is up and running or not. Okay, just you can type localhost here. Okay, so now it is showing me the welcome page, that means it is up and running. Okay, I should write every PHP program at server location, that is in C drive. By default Windows computers in C drive we have something as XAMPP folder. Okay, in that we have hypertext documents, htdocs. Okay, in that I have created one project folder, php t. Here I am saving all the programs, that's the reason I have taken that particular folder. I can choose here new one text document, right? Okay, here I will write the function program. First we will try to execute functions without arguments. Okay, so what is the syntax for PHP? Less than question mark PHP. There we go. Like as I said earlier, if you are declaring a function, you should write this keyword function space function name. What was your name? CSC, right? Then I want to print here echo welcome to CSC. That's it. Simple program. Okay. So this is not the end of the program. I should call this name of the function here. I should call that particular function with the name CSC colon. Okay. Now my program is completed. So I will save this program with the name 4. 4, right here, 4 is continuously coming by series. That's the reason 4.php. Save. Right, again I will go to browser here. Now here I will type localhost slash phpt, the directory name. In that, what was our name of the program here? Fourth, F-O-U-R-T-H, fourth.php. Yes or no? Fourth.php. What I have typed here? I think I have typed 4. Just F-O-U-R, yes, 4.php. Okay, see here, we got the output. Welcome to CSC. Similarly, you can write any number of statements. Okay, so this is the example of functions without argument. What if I want to pass some arguments here to this particular function? Okay, see here, functions with arguments. We can pass the information in PHP function through arguments, which is separated by commas. Okay, we'll try to execute that. Here I should declare one variable name. Okay, after that I should pass some value, Ben. Okay, Ben here. So here I should display here. Okay, no problem. Here I should type welcome Ben dollar name. Okay, this is what program looks like. So I will save this program. If you want to add some coloring, as I said earlier, you can choose the body BG color. color is equal to your wish. You can give any color, light green color you can give. So followed by the ending tag. So you should close this. After this you should close HTML. Okay, so I will quickly save this program and we'll go to the browser and we'll check the output here. See, welcome Ben. This is the example for functions with arguments. What if I want to add more than one arguments here? So I can separate them with a comma. So here I will write location. Okay, location. Okay, no problem. Here then I should separate that value with the location also. So location Hyderabad. Okay, so what I want to print, welcome Ben. You are in location I can do. So this is what I want to explain. So we are taking two parameters and we are passing the values respectively. I will save this program. Again I will go to browser. Here I will just refresh it. See, welcome Ben, you are in Hyderabad. Okay, this is what the functions with and without arguments. Okay, thanks for watching.